Welcome to 110 Mockingbird Court, Lexington, South Carolina. My name is Janet Loper, owner and broker with NextGen Real Estate.
And I'm Landon Loper with NextGen. And here at this new listing, we've got 5 reasons on why you should be the buyer. To start off with, this home is located on a beautiful cul-de-sac here in Lexington, but the biggest attraction for it is that it's located on a community pond, and every room in this home can see that pond.
This home features over 1,750 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. So let's go in and check out some other features. The third best feature is going to be the grand foyer entrance, which meets up with the great room with the laminate floors, large windows, and a backdrop of the actual stone fireplace and the built-ins. Over to my side here is the actual dining room area, which overlooks the pond for all the beautiful views throughout this home.
The fourth thing about this home is the kitchen. It features this fantastic bay windows. When you're cooking dinner and breakfast, you're always looking at the pond. The second thing about the kitchen is there's plenty of cabinet space for any storage that you might need.
This master bedroom suite is so large in size that I could ballroom dance on these beautiful laminate floors. But what's also amazing is you have a separate his and her bathroom entrance with large countertop space where you meet in the middle to a walk-in shower.
As a bonus for this property, it does have a workshop that is fully powered for you and does have air conditioning as well.
But the second best bonus is going to be the screen porch that overlooks the pond. So give us a call here at NextGen Real Estate. We look forward to serving you.
That's right, and you can also see more about this property and the listing itself at nextgenrealestatesc.com/110 Mockingbird. Thank you.
Thank you.